The most important business challenges that manufacturers are facing are the increased pressure on earnings and loss, need for higher productivity with better quality and less downtime. In order to achieve this, they need software and hardware solutions on all business areas like production, maintenance, and quality. We in Accenture can integrate all these systems to create one data model. One data model will generate operational visibility, a huge tool which offers control tower on one side, access to live data to be able to take the right decisions. With IoT intelligence, offer the visibility on everything that is happening on shop floor level. And of course, there is the possibility to simulate and modulate the production area so that you can not only visualize your present, but also envision your future. This means long time focus, with optimized processes, increased efficiency, and less waste. You may ask if we have delivered a project like this for any of our clients. The answer is yes. Part of this solution has been deployed for Arçelik's factory in Ulm. This factory has been awarded with Industry 4.0 Lighthouse Factory Award by World Economic Forum.